the best way to understand our customers and to understand future customers and understand the market is to interact with them face to face. I was fascinated by some of the responses we got. People in the room said, "Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't realize that. I hadn't thought about that." And I think that's really important, is that we are more than just, another provider in the market. We're also a provider which is giving them knowledge, which is being able to share expertise with them and to show them what we're capable of doing. So it's great to see that response from people in the room, that they weren't aware of things, that this is part of making them aware of the options.
So today it was shared that ADC is making an investment with the Kosava Group into AI hosting. They have invested into some GPUs that they'll be powering up in the country, which is a good thing because it de-risks us. At the moment, South Africa is dependent on overseas suppliers for AI provision. So the fact that ADC will unlock that capability, it unlocks the ability for us as AI developers to be able to host in their environment, in their data center.
Not only are we looking at just a partner that can understand our vision, mission, and where we are going as an organization, but also to very really understand what our customers are also looking for and share the same passion that they're looking for. It's not just being a big name, but also understanding the journey and requirements of what they want as a future goal and strategy. What ADC enables us is we now have a Ferrari in our garage or at our disposal, and we can basically start that up and run at whatever speed we'd like to. Whereas previously we had to look at delays from OEMs, delivery times, shipping conditions, and then looking at different professional services. So extra costs definitely come into play. But now with the advent of colocation, for example, all that almost falls away. And it allows us to sweat our assets a little bit more, especially over the given period that we can talk around depreciation.
We've got CIOs and tech professionals from various industries that's attended the event today. And more than anything else, it's the ability for people to interact freely. And it's not just the death by PowerPoint type of session, if you want to call it that.